Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create custom Instagram reel covers that stand out 2025 Canva tutorial. So guys, welcome to the channel and let's get into it. So your first step would be to open up your browser, log on to canva.com, as this is the website of interest for today's tutorial. Make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account, go ahead to create one and simply join the Canva family. All right, so where we have the home section, it's just underneath create. So we're going to be creating and we're going to be making use of templates. So basically templates are kind of like cheat sheets that people have created that you can copy off of, you can edit, you can customize, and kind of like make it your own. You can build off of it. That's basically what a template is. So we're going to be using Canva templates to simply create this Instagram reel covers. So all you need to do is just simply search. Like, you could easily search for Instagram reel covers. So just go ahead and type in Instagram reel covers. To do that, come to the home section, click on template. It's right between your designs and Canva AI. So Instagram reel. So you can just simply search for Instagram reel covers. Let's see if we can find something like that. If we can't, the search engine is just going to bring up some Instagram reels. Like, this is actually quite lovely. As you can see here, you can make use of this for your own purposes. I actually like this. So click on this here. And where we have customized this template, right click and open it in a new tab, as you're going to be opening multiple templates to work with. Like, this is quite lovely. You could apply this for yourself, this as well. You could also put in something like this. If you have like an Instagram vlog you're working on, you could use something like this, lifestyle vlog. And then content ideas are here as well. Like, they have a whole gallery of information and templates available for you to make use of. Like, this could be you here with the topic you want to talk about, all that good stuff. Okay, so basically open up the template you're trying to work on. So once the post is opened, you can kind of like see what they're doing here. This is actually quite insightful. Okay, so making your own Instagram reel cover is quite interesting, as this is an element in the image that you can move around. So you're gonna have to, if you want to copy something like this, you're gonna have to kind of like make a cutout of yourself in such a way that the elements can be put behind the image and in front of the image as well, as I'm doing here. So this is actually quite the quite the template. So to create yours, to create something like this, it's not really difficult. Click on the create option here. Click on create and then head into custom size. So where we have width and height, we're going to be going with 1080. So we're going to be going with 1080 by 1920. And then go ahead and click on create new design. So as you can see here, what pops up at the right is Instagram story. So you can use something like this to kind of like work with. While it opens, we could discuss a bit more about this. So now with Canva template as your inspiration, you can kind of like get a feel of how you can move things around, change things. Like the color, you could set this color into red. This kind of like adds a bit of more detail into your post. And then you could have this, which matches her skin tone, or something a bit lighter. This is actually quite beautiful. I think what you could do here is you could even swap them. So you could make this color, and then the story can be this instead. But it kind of like clashes out, so it's just better to keep it in a way that suits you. All right, so another thing you can do is you can add elements. So these are elements on their own. They are in the text section. So besides elements like shapes and stuff, we have text. It's kind of like a section in Canva, and you can now use this to add these text you see on the screen here. So you can use this to kind of like add the text you're seeing on your screen. We have dynamic text. I guess this is this is what this is. This is a dynamic text. So it's a special kind of text in its own. So it can be placed behind the subject or in front. Okay, so let's head back to our untitled design. So you kind of get what's going on here. All right, so with Canva opened up, basically, we have the 1080p. So we set it to an Instagram story, but we could change this option by simply removing the video playback. So just go ahead and add a page, and you can now turn this into your kind of like custom project by simply adding a couple of things here, like the text box from the other Canva design and some elements as well. Another cool thing you could add is you could add your uploads to Canva to kind of like make it unique in a way, since it's your personal stuff. You could also make use of Canva AI. So Canva has an artificial intelligence on the platform like this Magic Media. You can use it to kind of like generate videos, images, graphics. These are the kind of things I have generated in the past. I'm just going to place this in here and then click on generate images. So Canva is just going to go up and cook up some images that you can simply apply onto your empty design or your untitled design for your story or for whatever. We could go with this glossy effect here. And it's by double clicking on it, you can now simply apply this to your Canva design. So just go ahead and spread this over, and it's going to look something like this. And now you can now edit this to match what you're looking for. So you could also click on edit to kind of like sharpen the image. You could sharpen the image. You could actually do a lot because Canva is kind of like really flexible. So yeah, once you've clicked on edit, we can select the area. So all, if you select all, you could make some adjustments like increasing the temperature. You could take it all the way up. You could also use the auto adjust option to kind of like use artificial intelligence to adjust it. As you can see, with the temperature taken up, it looks a bit more unique. You can reduce the brightness. You can adjust a lot of things using Canva. You can actually adjust a lot, like the contrast, saturation, the color edits, even the texture. So the sharpness and clarity and vignette. You can work on all of these. And by doing so, you have actually made the image pop. So now if you were to share this image or you were to download this, just click on the share at the top right corner of your screen and simply click on download. We're not going to be using the public view link since we're not selling this or kind of like sharing the template. We're actually trying to download. So when you click on download, remember this is an MP3. You could move it instead of a video. You could turn this into a JPEG. It's the best for sharing. And then just go ahead and click on download. So you could download this in the best available quantity, but you're going to have to pay for the premium subscription to get it to 100%. But yeah, you can now select the pages you wish to download and just simply click on download and you're done. So guys, that's how you can go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.